I am taking the video of the rear passenger doors of both sides on the left and the right side. So that's the knob. Like there's a bolt in the back, there's one, and then on the door handle there are two, and that is a rubberized, just like cover. There's then you just have to remove one bolt on the doorknob and then the handle, similar to both front and back. So there's a similarity, and then that's the blue clips. So make sure you just have to check if it's like complete. Sometimes it's being left off on the car doors. And also the reason why I'm taking it out, because I have to place the sound deadening inside the butyl, because there are a lot of portions that there's no butyl sound deadening, and then on top of that I place a compact foam to absorb the noise. So this is how it looks like on the left, and then this is how it on the right side also. So the same setup, like there's a two bolt on the handles, and then when you remove it, start from the bottom, and then you will hear the click popping out. And make sure, like, once you reach closer to the like 5 inches on the top, make sure you raise it like that. That's where the clip, you don't have to pull it up. So that's the white one that's gonna sit on the black portion on the other one. So you have to lift the door up like 2-3 inches to come off. You don't pull up like all the way to the other side. Like, just have to, once you remove all these clips up, when you pop up all these clips, pull it up like 2-3 inches. It'll be easier to come off, and then remove the harness.